Hello, kindergarten readers. I bet that you know that these special letters that are on the screen are called vowels. And vowels are special because they have more than one sound, a short sound and a long sound. Can you say the vowel sounds with me? We're going to do it like this. We're going to say the letter, the picture, and then the sound. Ready? Let's go. A, apple, a. Acorn, a. E, elephant, e. Eagle, e. I, igloo, I. Ice cream, I. O, octopus, ah. Oval, o. U, umbrella, a. Unicorn, u. Good job! Today, I want to teach you that readers listen for vowel sounds in words. They do this by saying words slowly and listening for the vowel sound. Let's try it together. We're going to be using some words that were in this story, Sheep in a Jeep. We're going to practice saying the word slowly and then thinking about what vowel sound we hear. If we hear one that sounds like elephant, we're going to put it over here. If we hear one that sounds like eagle, we're going to put it over here. Are you ready? Let's try it. My first word is beep. First, let's say it slowly and listen for the vowel sound. Beep. What was the vowel sound? I heard E in the middle of beep. Now let's think. Does that sound like elephant or eagle? You're right. Beep sounds like eagle. Let's move it over here. Let's keep going. Let's say this word yelp slowly. Yelp. Let's think. Does that sound like elephant or eagle? Yelp. It sounds like elephant. So let's move it over here. Let's keep going. Help. Does help sound like elephant or eagle? Help. You're right. It sounds like elephant. Let's keep going. Let's say the word steep slowly. Steep. Does the vowel sound in steep sound like elephant or eagle? Steep. You're right, it sounds like eagle. Let's try it with this word, sheep. Sheep. Does that sound like elephant? Sheep. Nope. Does it sound like eagle? Sheep. Eagle. Yes, it does. Let's read this word, get. Now let's say it slowly. Get. Does that sound like elephant or eagle? Get. You're right, it sounds like elephant. Let's do the last one. Deep. Does the vowel sound in deep sound like eagle or elephant? Deep. It does sound like eagle. Did you see how we said the word slowly and listened for the vowel sound? You can do that as you're reading too. After you notice what the vowel sound in the word is, you might also notice what is the same or different between two words with the same vowel sound? Let's try that with the word yelp and help. First, I want to notice what is the same. So I'm going to study the words closely and think about what is the same in both words. Yelp, help. I can see that both of the words have the same letters at the end. E-L-P. E-L-P. They also sound the same at the end. Yelp, help. They rhyme. Now I want to think, what is different? Yelp and help both have different letters at the beginning. Let's try this with two other words. I see this word sheep and jeep. I want to think, what is the same about the two words and what is different? They both have an E-E-P at the end. And they both sound the same at the end. Sheep, jeep. Now I want to think, what is different? At the beginning of sheep, I see an S and an H. I don't see that down here in jeep. I see a J at the beginning of jeep. Did you see how I was able to see what was different and the same in both of these words? Now it's your turn. What is the same in these two words? What is different? You're going to underline what is the same in cheer and steer and circle what is different. Happy reading!